turning clouds into mountains, hills into holes. Oh, dancing between the lines of a moon, oh yes, oh. The radio's playing stupid and it reeks of stale cigarettes. The light through the window already reflects from gray. That sink in your stomach when everything goes wrong. But the timer of it all, he didn't play in my song. I heard a million voices, happy as clams, but I'm trying to retain the best of who I am.
Tell you, it bodes well if the path is starting to flood.
Turning clouds into mountains, hills into holes. One day I'll vanish, one day I'll be old. Take my bumpy El Camino on that dusty old road. See those clouds as mountains and rust as gold.
Come on then. And they say chivalry is dead.
Tell me that I don't want a vision that's clear enough. I'm able to see you. And tell me that all the things are bigger than all my dreams. I'm able to touch them like I touched you. Something that I have tried, having a place to hide in. All my things, the beauties and blues and greens, and all the mountains will collide. All those days are passing, my tears away. I think I trust you. So tell me I'll always find a vision that's clear but blind. You are the only, my only thing. Something that I have tried, having a place to hide in. All my things, the beauties of blues and greens. Something that I have tried, having a place to hide in. All my things, the beauties of blues and greens, and all the mountains will collide. And all the mountains will collide.